Hey guys, welcome to the channel. OneNote versus Notion versus Obsidian. So which note app should you use in 2025? So let's break it down first. First up, the Note OneNote, that is OneNote by Microsoft, is simple and familiar. Great for handwriting notes, drawing and typing. Syncing across Windows, mobile and web. Free with Microsoft 365, but structure can get messy with lots of content. Best for students or casual users who like flexibility. Now let's talk about the Notion. Notion is cloud-based and modular, pages, databases, and to-dos, calendars all in one. Great for teams and content planning. Powerful templates but needs internet for full features. Ideal for productivity lovers and teams managing project. Now let's talk about the Obsidian. Obsidian is local first and markdown based. It is fast and offline. Graph view to link your thoughts. Open plugin ecosystem, perfect for personal knowledge system and long-term thinking. Best for researchers, writers, and Zettelkasten users. Now here is the conclusion for you, that choose OneNote for handwriting or free-form notes. Pick Notion for organized productivity and collaboration. Choose Obsidian for deep local knowledge building. So that's pretty much all thing. Hope you found this video helpful. If so, then give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe our channel and let us know which one you are going to pick in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Till next time.